The state of New Jersey is open for business. This video podcast series is designed to help you navigate the various online business registry processes administered by the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. Check out the description box below to navigate the video contents using the clickable timestamps and to access the links referenced throughout this video. Be sure to click the Show More tab to view the full list of links in the description box. To view our complete series, please visit the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services Business Gateway at NJ.gov/NJBGS, or follow the link in the description box to view our complete playlist on YouTube. Today, we'll demonstrate how to complete an online business registration by filing the NJ.REG form, which serves to register a business entity within the state of New Jersey for state tax and employer purposes. At the end of this video, we'll also demonstrate how to access your business registration certificate online, and we'll also address some common error messages and how to solve them.
Is business registration the first step for all business entities in New Jersey?
Possibly. If your business entity is a for-profit corporation, nonprofit corporation, limited partnership, limited liability company, or limited liability partnership, you must complete a Formation/Authorization Business Entity Filing before filing your business registration. If you have not completed your Formation/Authorization Business Entity Filing yet, type the link currently shown on screen into your browser, or follow the link in the description box below. For more information on the Formation/Authorization Business Entity Filing process online, please follow the link in the description box to the first video in this series titled Episode 1, Online Formation/Authorization Business Entity Filings. If your business is a general partnership, proprietorship, or if you are self-employed, you do not need to complete a Formation/Authorization Business Entity Filing prior to completing your online business registration.
Okay, got it. What information will I need for business registration?
Most business types must first obtain a Federal Employer Identification Number, or FEIN, from the Internal Revenue Service before beginning business registration. The exceptions are if you are an individual contracting with a New Jersey state or local government agency, sole proprietors, or general partnerships without employees. If you need more information on obtaining an FEIN from the IRS, please visit IRS.gov for more information, or follow the link to the IRS FEIN webpage listed in the description box below. If you have your FEIN from the IRS and have filed for Formation/Authorization if necessary, then you're ready to get started. You'll want to keep both your FEIN and your Certificate of Formation/Authorization nearby for reference.
Great. I've got my FEIN and my certificate here next to me. What's the first step?
Let's begin by going online. Access the Start Registration page by visiting the link currently shown on screen. You can either type this link into your browser or click the link in the description box below. First, select the type of business you're registering.
My business is a limited liability company, which is classified as a business entity. So I'll select option 1, register it as a business entity, right?
Yes. Viewers, please read the options carefully and select the one that applies to your business. Click Continue. The next page is Business Identification.
Here, because I'm filing as a business entity, I'll need to enter my business entity ID number and my FEIN. Where do I find my business entity ID number?
If you've completed a Formation/Authorization Business Entity Filing, your business entity ID number can be found on your Certificate of Formation/Authorization. Viewers, be aware, if your business entity is a general partnership, proprietorship, or if you are self-employed, you will be prompted to enter your Social Security number or your FEIN in place of a business entity ID number. On the next page, fill in your business name, the start date for your business, and click Yes or No to answer if your business is year-round.
My information is already all filled in.
If your business has already been identified by your Business Entity ID number or FEIN, this information may be filled in automatically. Click Continue. Fill in the mailing address and preferred contact name for your business. Click Continue. On this page, select the ownership type from the drop-down menu. Then select the last month of the fiscal year for your business. Click the Yes or No button that answers the question, is this business a subsidiary of another corporation? Then click Continue. Next, you'll add owner/partner/responsible officer details. The Business Owner button is only to be used if your business is owned by another business. The FEIN of the business owner cannot be the same as that of the registering business. Use the Individual Owner button to add people as owners/partners/responsible officers. You'll need to fill out the following information for each person listed: name, title, social security number, percent of ownership, and street address. Click Continue when finished. On the Business Classification page, you'll need to provide information to help classify your business. The first field asks for your New Jersey business code. Either click the blue Find Business Code link beside the field to look up the code that applies to your business, or begin to type in words related to your business.
My LLC is a clothing shop, so I'm going to type in apparel. And since my store is a retail store, I'm going to select the last option, 5100 Retail Apparel.
The next field is Principal Product of Service. Briefly describe the products or services offered by your business. There is a 400-character maximum.
I'm going to type retail store selling clothing for children and infants.
The next field, Type of Activity, is for you to describe the type of activity your business will be conducting. Again, there's a 400-character maximum.
So I'm going to keep this concise. I'll say sale of clothing.
The next field is the Standard Industrial Code, or SIC code. Follow the blue Find SIC code link to look up a code. This field is not required. The next field is the North American Industry Classification System Code, or NAICS code, and this is a required field. Again, you can either click the blue Find NAICS code link beside the field to look up a code, or simply begin typing to pull up options related to your business.
I'll try clothing. Oh, great. All these options for clothing come up. My store is for children's and infants' clothing, so I'll select that option from the drop-down menu.
The final field on this page is Number of Workers in New Jersey. Enter the number of workers working at your business within the state of New Jersey, then click Continue. The next page is Employment Activities. Answer the yes or no questions by clicking the button next to your answer. If you answer yes for the first bullet point, did you acquire substantially all the assets, trade/business, and/or employees of any previous employing units? You will need to fill out acquisition information on the next page. If not, that page will not appear, and the next page will be Taxable Activities. If you answer yes for the last bullet point, will you be paying wages, salaries, or commissions to employees working in New Jersey within the next 6 months? You will need to fill out additional information, which will only appear on the page if you answer yes. Click Continue when finished. The next page is Taxable Activities. Use the buttons to answer yes or no to each question. After the yes or no questions are complete, there's a checklist of eligibility for any other New Jersey state tax. Check any taxes that apply to your business. If none apply, click the top box, No Other Eligibility. Click Continue. The last page before review is the Contact Information page. Put in the best contact information. It might be yourself, or it might be an owner, partner, or additional individual involved in the business. Put in the contact name, title, email address, and daytime phone number. Click Continue. The final page is the Review page. Review all information carefully. Make sure all information is exactly as you want it to appear.
If I need to make changes, do I click Edit?
Yes, click the Edit button within the section you need to alter if necessary. Under the Employment Activities Review section, double-check your answers. Then click the checkbox to confirm your answers accurately reflect your employment activities at the time of your business registration or date of your first wage payment. Under the Taxable Business Activities Review section, double-check your answers. Then click the checkbox to confirm your answers accurately reflect your business activities that are subject to New Jersey taxes. Once you have thoroughly reviewed this page, click the checkbox under Signature to declare you have provided information that is true, correct, and complete to the best of your knowledge and belief. Then type your name to electronically sign. Click Complete Registration when finished. Upon clicking Complete Registration, a confirmation page will open. Please note or print this page for your records. From this confirmation page, you can download your business registration document, which contains all entered registration information. You can also download your sales tax certificate of authority, which may be printed and displayed.
Is this my business registration certificate?
No. Your business registration certificate, or BRC, will be mailed to you within 10 business days. If you need your BRC sooner than that, it will be available for download after 2 business days. If you'd like to register as a Subchapter S corporation, there's more information available by clicking the blue Click Here link at the end of the Corporations and LLCs 1120's paragraph. Please allow 10 days after registering before using the online S-Corp filing service.
Where do I go to access my BRC online?
You can bookmark this confirmation page to return to it after 2 days. This highlighted link will take you to the correct website, or you can visit the link currently shown on screen, either by typing it into your browser or by clicking the link in the description box below. To verify the registration status of your business and obtain your business registration certificate, enter the name control, which is the first 4 characters of your business name or trade name, and either your FEIN or your business entity ID number. As long as 2 or more business days have passed since you registered and your business is in good standing with the state of New Jersey, the system will verify whether your business registration has been approved, and if so, generate an online, printable business registration certificate.
I'm getting an error message. There was no match on the fields entered. What does that mean?
Most likely, there's a problem with the name and/or the ID under which your business is registered. Try these options to resolve the issue directly. Double-check your entry. Reference your certificate of formation/authorization for exact business entity name and 10-digit ID number. Reference a recently filed tax return to verify your FEIN and business entity name.
Okay. Now I'm sure I have all the correct information, but I'm getting a different error message. It reads, "We're sorry, but the registration status of this business cannot be determined at this time."
This error message presents when there's a problem in one or a combination of the following areas. The business is inactive, dissolved, canceled, withdrawn, etc. There's no remedy if the business is inactive. The business is closed. Business is revoked. If the business is revoked, you can file for reinstatement online through the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services Business Gateway at NJ.gov/NJBGS. Businesses in a revoked status for less than 2 years do not require tax clearance. Those revoked greater than 2 years must obtain tax clearance. Business is pending reinstatement. If the business is pending reinstatement, work with the Division of Taxation to resolve the tax issue or issues. To contact the Division of Taxation, visit the link currently shown on screen by typing the link into your browser window or following the link in the description box below. Business IDs are not synchronized. This issue results from failure to follow registration instructions. To resolve this issue, work with the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services to synchronize the IDs.
How do I get in touch with the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services?
You can reach our help desk 2 ways. Option 1, send an email to NJDORES customer service at treas.nj.gov, containing your name, business name, telephone number, and an explanation. You may provide your 10-digit ID number if applicable, but do not send your FEIN via email. A representative will call you within 3 business days to discuss the issue and resolution path. If your issue involves taxes, our agent will provide you with the Division of Taxation's contact information. Option 2. Call the help desk at 609-292-9292. The line is usually very busy, but you can reach an agent. Be ready to provide your name, the business name, and both your FEIN and 10-digit ID number if applicable. Our representative will provide you with status information and refer your matter to the appropriate registry unit for resolution. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Remember to check out our additional videos either by clicking the playlist link or by visiting the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services Business Gateway at NJ.gov/NJBGS.